Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up a new drive. As you can see on my screen, only my internal drives are showing. To begin the process, open your search bar and type Drive Partitions. Your new drive will appear black. Right-click on the new drive. Now press New Simple Volume. Press Next. Now make sure the top and bottom numbers are matching. Next, make sure the top dot is selected. Then you can choose what letter your drive will be. At Volume Label, you can rename the drive to whatever you want. Now make sure everything is matching with my screen. Press Next, then Finish. As you can see, my new drive is fully set up and ready to use. It also appears now. I hope this video was able to help you. If you have further questions about this topic or another, please don't hesitate to comment them below.